Okay, so I'm literally continuing right from the last clip. So this is all like the washing stuff. I really hope that this what do you call it? This thing in this box came with the attachment, because if not, then I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow. But it looks as if it comes with everything I need. So yeah. Yeah, man, this one is really annoying. Okay, perfect. So, it comes with this, and it does come with the hose part. Perfect. So this is exactly what I needed. This is, so that's just to hold that thing up. Boom. Set that aside. And boom. Damn it, there's another box inside. Give me a second. Alright. It's a Kink free hose. Boom. So, oh wow, they match. That was definitely not planned. That's pretty sick. This is pretty nice. So I'm gonna add some soap to this, move the car to the middle, and then start washing. Because, yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys know, washing cars is a very good stress relief. Stress relief, yeah. Especially at a time like this when, you know, the car's broken, unfortunately. Wash the car and enjoy some time to myself or with whomever is, you know, assisting me or whatever. It's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna grab all my like car wash soaps and everything like that, and then start what I gotta do. Okay, so it's on 5 now, which is like the highest sud setting. Yeah, this thing's actually pretty good. It makes a pretty decent amount of suds. Granted, if I get the Chemical Guy soap, it makes more suds, so I'll do that. But for now, it's not bad. I can't complain. So as you guys can see, it's decent. wasn't doing like a full wash or anything because I was just testing out the soap in that little foam cannon. Need to grab the chemical guy's soap for it so it suds up better, but as for a quick wipe down, it's really not bad at all, and the soap that I have at least does provide a little bit of lubrication, so I could just get like the surface dust off and everything like that. But yeah, it's not bad. The car cleans up pretty nice, and this thing, like this whole setup is like $60. Definitely well worth it, especially since you don't have to deal with the same thing I dealt with my pressure washer, which broke in like 40 or 50 uses, which is really not that much at all, and it happened literally right after the warranty went up, so that was unfortunate, and I kind of screwed myself out of a pressure washer. So for now, this is good enough until I most likely just save up enough money to grab like a professional like pressure washer, or even like a truck with a pressure washer system on the back. That'll be even better. But yeah, for now, it's the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be leaving the links to all the products that I use in the description, and you guys will see in the next one when I actually do like a full wash with the proper soap, and then like the hydro lock and everything like that, so like the water beads off the whole body of the car, because it works on like the glass and everything like that, but for the rest of the body I didn't have the right thing for it. So yeah, looks nice. All right, I got a package. It's the next day, so you can see the car still right there. Unfortunately, you know, because this was a very unfavorable situation, but yeah, let me open this, if I can open it like this. Give me a second, actually. All right, let's try this again. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's kidney grills, so I'm gonna see if I could install this one this time. Oh, door's locked. I really hope I didn't forget the key inside. It's right here. You guys can probably see me in my reflection ruffling for them too. Oh yeah, I forgot that I need a prop for the hood. Give me. Good. And I'm pretty sure there's like a right way to do this, but I don't know what that is. And it does not look like this one really fits too great either. It's a little better, but it's just like not perfect. I might just use this one and call it a day, because man, this is quite annoying. I remember when I had my white E36, they used to have so many more options for these things, but now that's like not the case. Another fail. Like, it just never ends with these things.